Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for s in this equation 3 raised to power s is equal to 18. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 3 raised to power s is equal to 18. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 18. Take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as s log 3 is equal to log 18. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3 and this divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. S is equal to log 18 divided by log 3. But 18 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. S is equal to log 6 multiplied by 3 over log 3. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as x is equal to log 6 plus log 3 over log 3. Then if you split this, x will be equal to log 6 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. This is same thing as log 6 over log 3 plus 1. Also, 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. And this can be written as s is equal to log 3 multiplied by 2 over log 3 plus 1. Then s is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3 plus 1. This log 3 cancel this log 3. S is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1, this is 2. Then S is equal to 2 plus log 2 over log 3. S is equal to, if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. This is 2 plus log 2 base 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power s is equal to 18. If s is 2 plus log 2 base 3, we have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 18. Then if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. This can be written as 3 square multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 must be equal to 18. Now, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. This is 3 square. We have 9 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 must be equal to 18. Then 9 times 2, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. Now, let us solve this problem using another method called method 2, which is the method of natural logarithm. Then we have 3 raised to power x is equal to 18. Let us take the natural log of both sides of this equation. Ln of 3 raised to power s is equal to ln of 18. This is s ln of 3 is equal to ln of 18. You can actually solve this in 1 minute. Then let's divide both sides by ln of 3. This divided by ln of 3. This cancel this. S is equal to ln of 18 over ln of 3. And if you want to use your calculator, S is equal to ln of 18 is 2.8904 divided by ln of 3, that is 1.0986, and this is equal to 2.63. So this is the value of S. If you want to use calculator, you can actually solve it in 1 minute. Now, but let's leave an answer in natural logarithm form. Then for ln of 18 can be written as, we have S is equal to ln of 9 multiplied by 2 over ln of 3. This is same thing as S is equal to ln of 9 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then S is equal to ln of 9 can be written as ln of 3 square plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then S is equal to 2 ln of 3, let's split it, over ln of 3 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. S is equal to 2 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. This is the value of S in terms of natural logarithm. Now, let us confirm our answer using this 2.63, which is the value of X using calculator. We have 3 raised to power S is equal to 18. If S is equal to 2.63, then this is 3 raised to power 2.63 must be equal to 18. Then 3 raised to power 2.63, this is 17.98, which is approximately equal to 18. Therefore, the left hand side, 18, is equal to the right hand side, 18, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.